Naniniwala kami na farming is the biggest job on earth. And ever since, our advocacy as a company is kung paano makakatulong ang BESF sa agriculture industry.
This year is very challenging for all of us, but we have a responsibility for all our partners, maganda man o hindi ang sitwasyon. And we will intend to keep it that way.
Pag pumunta ka sa field, doon mo talaga malalaman kung ano yung pangangailangan nila. And that is to earn a living for their family. And farmers need products that they can trust to protect their crops.
With the challenges na na-encounter natin this year, lalo na sa presyo ng ating palay, mahalaga na masecure natin ang dami at quality ng ating ani.
Kaya nag-develop ang BSF na mga produkto na may excellence effect para mas mapaganda ang quality ng mga crops.
Pag nakausap mo kasi yung farmer, sasabihin nila usually magsasaka lang ako. Hindi kasi siya magsasaka lang. Kasi with their intention to feed their families, pinapakain nila yung maliit na bahagi ng mundo, which is very noble.
As BASF's trade partner, it is our responsibility to ensure that more farmers will benefit from these products. The more retailers support us, the more farmers we reach.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you po!
Taod salamat.
Daghan kaayong salamat.
Madamong gid nga salamat.
Thank you!
Dagang salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat!
Agyaman kami kada kayo amin apo.
Yaman!
Ang salamat.
Daghang salamat. Daghang salamat.
Maraming salamat!
Thank you! Agyaman kami, Apo.
Agyaman na!
Walbalay ka salamat at si kayon amin.
Thank you!
Yaman na kapo.
Agyaman kami kada kayo amin.
Thank you!
Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Farming is the biggest job on earth. Daghang salamat.